want to introduce you to the drone cone, the only system designed from the ground up specifically for drone applicators. The drone cone system is super simple. It's an 85-gallon tank, and inside you've got a couple of really cool things. You got a tank rinse spinner, you got a jug rinser, and you've got an eductor agitator, which is going to keep everything mixing and keep it all stirred up. Anytime you want to mix and pump to the drone, it's really simple. You got a single handle here, you point it to the right, and you're going to be agitating from the bottom of the drone cone, coming back up through the pump, through the filter, and going out to your drone. So you can make your hose as long as you want. You've got your nozzle for filling it up. Super simple. If you want to clean your tank, you just turn this top nozzle right here, and it's going to activate that tank rinse right there. Now on the other side, you have all your inputs. So you have your bulk water input. It's got an anti-backflow filter right there. All your bulk inputs right here. And if you want to bring water into the system, you just turn this the other way. Whoops, that way. There we go. Now everything's coming from that side instead of this side. And so all you really have to do is pay attention to this one valve. It's the simplest system you can have. When you're out spraying all day, just makes your life super easy. On this side, if you got a flight deck, a double-decker trailer, you just have a super long cable with a switch on it here. You can run that all the way up to the top to turn your pump on and off. Really simple. And then again, the same thing with your hose. You can run that as long as you want, run it up to the top of your trailer. This massive 3/4 horsepower pump right here will pump 65 gallons per minute, and it's got a head of 52 feet. So it's going to pump that chemical and water 52 feet up into the air. It's going to get to the top of your flight deck, no problem. It's got a maximum pressure of 12 psi, and you can see we've got all of this tubing here which can handle the suction from this, as well as any pressure it's put on by pumping it right out the side of the drone cone. The drone cone also has a meter, so you're measuring and metering any of your bulk inputs that are coming in, including your water. You know exactly what you're putting in right here at the meter. It's easy to get to, easy to see, and the fill tank is low enough, even though it's an 85-gallon tank, that you can get a jug right in here without having to stretch, reach, or crawl on top of anything. So it just makes your life that much easier when you're out in the field and trying to get a big job done with a lot of acres. This is the drone cone. It is the system designed specifically for drone aerial applicators, flying stuff like this beautiful T50 right here. The T50 and the drone cone go perfectly together.